My view as a career is much more than money. I like my career because it's really interesting and very diverse. And again, I'm not going to make a lot of money and I don't have a lot of power, but it's more than that. So I say do something that you love. Our work is interesting because it's very what I call interfacial. It's at the intersection of business, law, and science. I can play in any of those circles and be in my job description. And another circle of industry, university, and government, because the government has a lot to say about how we do our business. This kind of being a bee is really interesting. Always get a job that's challenging, and I'm sure you all will. It has to be intellectually challenging, and for me, this job is intellectually challenging because we're always looking at new inventions. We're at the cutting edge. Our research is at the cutting edge. People haven't even thought of these inventions, obviously, that come to our office. So it's intellectually challenging. It's a big juggling act. And I find it interesting because it's challenging on the relationship side of things, too. We have to establish good relationships with inventors, and inventors are faculty and students and other research associates. We have to establish good relationships with companies, and that's engineering companies, Phi-Sci, life sciences, big, small, medium. They all want something different. We have to establish good relationships with the administration. Basically, the administration wants us to do a good job and not create a lot of problems. You know, we could go out and sue everybody if we wanted, but that wouldn't reflect very well on the university. So we want to keep the university happy, and we want to keep our sponsors happy. The government has a lot of things to say about how we do tech transfer. Industry sponsors research. They want to have a say in how we do tech transfer. So it's very challenging on how we manage those relationships. And the last thing for why I love this job is that everything is always new. By definition, inventions are new, and then we're dealing with new inventors, and we're dealing with new companies. And so it's just always new, and there's always a new problem. I go to work and never know what's going to happen that day.